Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make home remedy for cold, fever and migraine. If you are experiencing any of these, then this video is for you. My first ingredient here is pineapple peel. Pineapple peel is so rich in vitamin C, which helps to fight different infection. I usually cut my pineapple peel after peeling it from the pineapple. The green one was the one I just peeled from the pineapple, while the brown one was the one I kept in the freezer. So never throw your pineapple peel away after peeling it. After peeling it, you can wash it and keep it in the freezer till when you will need it for this kind of home remedy. The next ingredient I'll be using is lime. Lime is known for its several health benefits. So this lime, I'll be using 5 limes. Another ingredient I'll be using is fresh ginger root. So this is the fresh ginger I'll be using. So this recipe does not really need much measurement. So it depends the quantity you want in it. And right here is turmeric. Turmeric and ginger are well known for treating chronic disease as they contain antioxidant and anti-inflammatory. So that is turmeric and that is ginger. So they are the same family and it is medicinal herbs. Please, you need to have these two natural ingredients at home for your general health wellness. So moving on, the next ingredient I will be using is lemon. So the first one I first showed to you was lime. So over here I'm having lemon. So I'll also be making use of lemon. I will also be using grapefruit. So this grape, so it's not orange, it's grape. Grapes, limes, lemon are also known as citrus fruit. I will also be making use of garlic. Actually, this is optional. If you don't like it, you may skip it, but I'm using it because of its health benefits, so I will be using that. I will also be using green tea. So this green tea, instead of using ordinary water to boil all the ingredients together, I will prefer to first put the green tea in it. So to use the green tea water to boil it, that one also make it more effective and make it work faster. So while the green tea is boiling, so I will go ahead to cut all the fruits. So right here I'm cutting the lemon. So this lemon, and I will also go ahead to cut the fruit. So please note, all these fruit have been washed, has been thoroughly washed, because we are using this home remedy to fight bacteria, to fight diseases. So we don't need to use dirty things, so we have to clean all our things thoroughly. Please, this is the after it has been cut. This juice from the lemon, I divided the lemon into two. So one part I juice it and I cut the skin as well. So right here I cut all the ginger and the turmeric. So that is all the ingredients I will be using. So, and that is the garlic. Over here is my green tea. So I did not allow it to boil completely because I'm still going to add the other ingredient to boil it. So I will just let it warm to let the water change the color instead of using ordinary water. So it's better to just use that green tea. So right here I will go ahead to add all the ingredients. So firstly I add my turmeric and ginger, and also with lemon peel and other ingredients. So please don't forget to wash all your fruit thoroughly before using it, so we don't want to pack any dirty in it. So over here I'm adding my lemon juice. So that is the end. Then I will also be adding my lemon peel after I put all the ingredients. So I'm adding the lemon peel lastly, so just to cover the pot. So for this kind of home remedy, so you need big pot to make it so that you can have enough water to drink at least 7 days. You can drink this morning and in the evening. So I will go ahead and turn it in order to mix all the ingredients together. So if in the beginning of this video I mentioned migraine. Migraine is when you are feeling headache in one side of the head, and this often cause cold and which also cause fever in most of the time. So with this home remedy, it's going to help you if you are experiencing that. And if you are still watching to this very moment, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give me a thumb up, like this video, and if you are new here, kindly subscribe to my channel. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you so much. Note, this recipe is not good for pregnant women, so if you are pregnant, don't drink it. And if it's not for kids, so this is for adults. Finally, this home remedy is ready, and this home remedy also help to detox your body against sickness. So you can drink this 1 cup in the morning and 1 cup in the evening. Just make sure you drink it like 3 hours before the bedtime, because if you drink it late night, it let you visit toilet to urinate often. So I want to say thank you so much for watching this video. Till you see me in my next video. Bye.